The clock is ticking. Inflation is at a 40-year high, and uncertainty looms over the stock market. Are your retirement savings really safe? Especially if you've worked hard to build a nest egg with over $500,000 or more? You might be wondering how to protect it from the roller coaster ride of today's economy. Today, I'm going to share a story that could change the way you think about securing your future, and why a gold IRA might be the smart move. Meet Robert and Susan. They've spent their entire careers working in real estate in Phoenix, Arizona. Robert, a former broker, and Susan, who managed properties for years, built a comfortable retirement with over $750,000 in their IRAs. But recent headlines have them worried. Inflation is hitting their savings, the stock market is unpredictable, and they've seen stories of banks freezing withdrawals and financial institutions making bold moves in an unstable market. So, what did Robert and Susan do? They took action and turned to a gold IRA. They knew their wealth, built through decades of hard work, deserved better protection. Here's why they made the move, and why you should consider doing the same. A gold IRA allows you to hedge against inflation and market volatility. Instead of relying solely on stocks and bonds, which can be vulnerable during uncertain times, you can diversify into physical gold. Gold has historically been a stable store of value, especially during periods of economic turmoil. And it's not just about protecting wealth. It's about securing the future for your children and grandchildren. Now you might be asking, why gold? Why now? Well, think about the environment we're in. President Trump's administration saw economic growth, but now the world's dealing with rising debt, inflation, and ongoing financial instability. Stock market volatility can erode your savings quickly. The last thing you want is to lose your retirement due to forces outside your control. Gold, on the other hand, can help shield your assets from these threats. Robert and Susan didn't wait around to see what would happen. They wanted to preserve their legacy, make sure their hard-earned savings stayed intact, and ensure their children had a solid foundation for their future. By rolling over part of their traditional IRA into a gold IRA, they've safeguarded their wealth while continuing to benefit from the long-term potential of gold. But what makes gold IRAs so appealing to retirees with more than $500,000 in savings? First, it's the stability. Gold isn't impacted by the same market swings that stocks are. Even when stocks crash, gold often holds its value or increases. Plus, it's a tangible asset. If you're worried about digital currencies or the unknown future of the dollar, gold offers something solid you can rely on. But let me reassure you, getting started with a gold IRA isn't complicated. No pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks. It's simply about education. You don't need to be an expert in precious metals. All you need is a short, no obligation consultation with someone who can walk you through the process and explain how a gold IRA works. Whether you're just starting to think about protecting your wealth or you're ready to take action now, it starts with getting the right information. Now, I want to ask you, what is your future worth? You've worked hard for decades, built your wealth, and you deserve peace of mind. You deserve a retirement that's not at the mercy of the market or unpredictable financial events. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, or you're nearing retirement with a significant nest egg, I want to offer you a free gold IRA guide and educational call. No obligation, just one-on-one personal education. There's no sales pressure, no gimmicks, just the information you need to make the right decision for your retirement. It's time to protect your wealth. Secure your future today by clicking the link below for your free guide. This is your chance to make the smartest, most informed choice for your financial security. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Take control now, before it's too late.